What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2013 Honda CBR 250R. Guys, this bike is basically all stock. It is a great beginner bike. Plenty of tread on the tires. It's got this little license plate. It doesn't have the big old back license plate fender thing, little Yoshimura. It's got some scuffs on the outside of the cover for the exhaust. I mean, it's not a big deal, guys. This is a beginner bike. I'm sure the person's, I don't know if he dropped it. I doubt he dropped it. It doesn't really look necessarily like he dropped it, but, backed it up against some stuff, scraped it against some stuff. All the plastics look really good on this bike. Bar ends, lever ends, they look good. Mirror end looks really good. Front tire looks great. We do have a scratch right there. See that? It's kind of a long. See that? Starts there. Tracks, boom. Tank is in good shape. Plastics are all in good shape. A couple scratches along the back there. If you can see that one right there, that one right there. Top of the tank's in good shape. It's got this tank guard. What do you call those stupid things? 7,805 miles on it. Fires up right away. Guys, like I said, 2013 Honda CBR 250. It's in great shape, guys. It's got those little scratches on the left-hand side. But it's a great beginner bike, guys. Definitely something that's not going to last long. It's going to be super cheap. If it's something you're interested in for your first bike, let me know. I can ship it to you. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.